Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Shinde, and I am learning in second year of civil engineering in Zeal Polytechnic. And this project is guided by Mr. Ankit Agrawal sir. And this project is made by Gaurav Bajrao Shinde, Sakshi Rangnath Gaikwad, Amol Ashok Gadge, Vijay Madhukar Garbudve. Our project topic is explain geosynthetic and geopolymer details with photographs. Our topic content is geosynthetics, type of geosynthetics, geopolymer. Geosynthetics. There are various types of geosynthesis used in civil engineering and construction work. Properties, function, and uses of geosynthesis are discussed, depicting source for granular and other elementary raw material combined with the limited availability of funds for a property has been generating a new opportunities of innovative engineering to achieve cost-effective solution on the innovation of the introduction of geosynthesis into the field of civil engineering. The uses of geosynthesis is through still novel in the construction industry in the use of nevertheless increasing every year in a sector such as reinforcement of a field, management of poor water pressure, foundation and pavement. Apart from being economical, they can be rapidly installed and help a quality control of factory manufacture products. Geosynthetic are a construct necessary and inseparable for economical solution in multiple functions such as reinforcement, separation of filtration, drainage, barriers, areas controls, controlment of protection. Geosynthetic are materials are nothing but planar polymer material used in contact with soil, rock or any other geosynthetic material for filtration of drainage, separation in reinforcement, protection. Type of geosynthesis: geotextiles, geogrids, geonets, geomembranes. Geotextiles. The membrane fabric, when used in association with soil, have the ability to separate, filter, reinforce, protect, or drain. Typically made from polyplenes or polyester, geotextile fabric come in their basic form when needle punch or heat bonded. This is a photo of geotextile. GeoGrid. A geogrid is a geosynthetic material used in reinforced soil and similar material. Geogrids are commonly used to reinforce retaining wall and used as a subbase or a subsoil below. Roads are structure soils pull apart under tension compared to soil. Geogrids are strong to tension. This fact allows them to transfer forces to a large area of soil than would otherwise be the case. This is an image of GeoGrid. GEONET. A GEONET is a geosynthetic material similar in structure to GeoGrid, consists of intricately connected parallel set of ribs overlying similar sets as various angle or in a plane drainage of liquid or gases. GeoNets are often limited with the geotextiles on or both surface and then referred as drainage. Geocomposites. They are compositive with other drainage. Geocomposites have different core communications. This is an image of GEONET. GeoMembrane. A geomembrane is a very low permeability synthetic membrane linear of barrier used with any geotechnical engineering related materials so as to control fluid migration in a relative then continually polymers, but they can also be made from the immigration of geotextiles with asphalt, elastomer of polymer, separate or as multi-layered bitumen, geocomposite, continuous polymer sheet. Geomembranes are by most common. This is a geomembrane photo. Function of geosynthetic in civil engineering and construction work. Soil reinforced structure, basal reinforcement to support the soil reinforce, separation of between the in situ soil and imported soil to avoid a mixing and reduce mechanical performance, filtration behind all hydraulic structures, drainage control at the top of 8 meter to connect any separate water coming from the other side of a embankment to avoid a contamination of the structure, fill erosion control blanket to protect the slope at the top of avoid erosion. Geopolymer. Geopolymer are inorganic, typically ceramic aluminosilicate, forming along a range covalently bonded non-covalently impervious network. Raw material used in the synthesis of silicon-based polymer are mainly rock-formed mineral of geological origin. Geopolymer concrete combines an alkaline liquid with a geological source material containing silicon and aluminum to form a binder that does not use any Portland cement because the chemical reaction that takes place a polymers process. The material is called a geopolymer, hence the name geopolymer. Thank you for watching this video.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.